Hello Pisces, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, for tuning in into the channel. So please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so this is the reading in which I'm going to tell you what is the 8-8 Lions Gate portal. Okay, and what are the energies and meaning of this reading. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the important messages for Pisces. Okay, so what is 8-8 Lions Gate portal means? This is the energy of Lord Shiva destroying in order to clear the way for new creation. Okay, it is a time for activation, for the DNA activation of the star seeds, of the light workers and the twin flames. It is opening up on 28th of July to 8th August 2021. This is also called as Leo Gate, and this is a time to step up into your power. So this was the thing which I need to tell you about um, 8-8 Lions Gate portal. And now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Pisces. Okay, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Pisces which I need to deliver for 8-8 Lions Gate portal 2021. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Pisces, which is important to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages for Pisces? What are the message for the Pisces for Lions Gate portal? Any other message? Okay. So community is working with you, Pisces. Okay, see, regeneration and energy is here. This is the transformation, the new beginning. The things are going to end and transformed, will be transformed here. Okay, so regeneration energy is here for you, Pisces. And there is serendipity, that means good luck is here with you. Your luck is with you, the good luck is with you. Okay, the good fortune, the good luck is you, the luck is on your side. Maybe right now you are thinking a lot. There is a thinker here, so you are thinking a lot, Pisces, these days. But do not worry, this is a time to go in a forward direction, move in a forward direction. Time to go from time to go in a forward direction and leave the things which don't serve your highest good. The community is working with you here. You are not alone. The community is working with you. So this is beautiful energy for Pisces, I can say that. Now let's see what are the messages for you from the tarot. Yeah, you are thinking a lot, maybe on the past events, on the past things, but do not think here. This is the time to go in a forward direction, move in a forward direction, Pisces. Okay, the luck is on your side and you are not alone. Please give me the messages for Pisces for 8-8 Lions Gate portal. Okay, what are the messages for Pisces? Okay, so there is some heartbreak which has happened in your life here, but you are taking the control of your life, and that's right, you have to take the control of your life here. Okay, Emperor and the Empress is here. Any other message for Pisces? Let me adjust here. So there was some kind of heartbreak which has happened in your life here, Pisces. And because of that, you are feeling restricted and you are thinking a lot. You are feeling restricted, you are stuck, Eight of Swords and Four of Pentacles, and you are holding on so tightly. You are in a thinking process. Thinker 0505 is the recording reading time. You are in a thinking process that why this is happening. Okay, you're overthinking this thing and you are holding back that energy a lot. Okay, you are dealing with someone who is your divine counterpart here. This is the Emperor and the Empress. So this is someone who is your divine counterpart. This is someone who is either your soulmate or your twin flame. This is a spiritual connection. Who is your match? Okay, who is your match? And this heartbreak is happened because of the third party situation. Okay, there was a third party situation and there was confusion. Okay, there was a lot of options to choose. There was a confusion here, because of that this happened. But do not worry, there was a cycle which you need to close out. Okay, there was a karmic cycle which you need to close out, and you are closing out that cycle here. Okay, you're completing that cycle. Okay, you're closing out that cycle. That means, let me see why this third party situation happened. Please tell me why there is Three of Swords here. That's why you are thinking a lot here. Okay, whoever break your heart, they are rushing here. They're coming towards you. Because this is someone who is your divine counterpart. This is your perfect match. Okay, and you are waiting too. Can you see? I told you. The Lovers and the Three of Wands. This is someone who is coming back in your life. That's why there is Sun here. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings are going to start in your life, Pisces. You are waiting for this person to come back towards you, and this is coming. They are coming here. This is your Lovers, and that's the justice which is being served in your case. Okay, this is beautiful. This is your Lovers. The Lovers is here. I told you, this is your match. This is your power match. Why there is Seven of Cups here? Please clarify. Seven of Cups. Okay, and can you see it just coming out here? They're keeping in tabs on you here. The Sun is here again. The Emperor. You are rising as an Empress. Okay, they're gaining the strength to approach you. Whatever situation, conflicts, competition was there, confusion was there. Okay, the confusion is going to end. There is definitely new happy beginnings which are going to start in your life, Pisces. Okay, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so in your love life there is new happy beginnings which are coming for you, because you are rising in your Empress mode. Okay, maybe you were having a confusion, or this person was having a confusion. Whatever confusion was having, that is going to end here. This is the time to go move in a forward direction. So this is beautiful. They're coming back. They know that you both belong to each other. Okay, you have to go in a forward direction. Now let's see. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what are the messages from Chinese fortune reading card for Pisces. Please give me the message for Pisces. What is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? Wow, this is the only zodiac sign till now who has received the Sun in all of these decks. Wow. There is a renewal of relationship which is happening for you, Pisces. This relationship is going to renewed. Okay, the renewal of this relationship is happening in your life. There are new happy beginnings. See, new beginnings are coming for you. And again, the Sun is here. From the three decks, the Sun is here. Okay, the new happy beginnings are coming for you. This is the happy new beginnings in your love life which is happening here. So this is beautiful. Okay, the renewal of the relationship is happening here, and there is Dragon here. Your wish fulfillment which is going to come true now. Okay, this Dragon is saying that this is strongly associated with success and victory. Success and victory is coming for you. You just need to be optimistic. Okay, and manifest amazing opportunity. You just need to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. So that's beautiful energy. I can say that. That's very beautiful energy. Okay, now let's see what is the message from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck for the Pisces. Pisces, new happy beginning are coming for you, and there is a renewal of a relationship, okay, which is happening here. 10-10, you were completing a cycle here with this person. Have faith. What is the message for Pisces? Okay, so yes, the growth is coming for you because of this relationship. You becoming better person here, Pisces. You receiving the growth of your soul, okay, in your love life, in your career, on your soul level. But growth is coming for you because of this relationship, okay. The growth is happening in your life, and have faith, okay, Pisces. Have faith because everyone is there with you. You are not alone here. This is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from fortune reading cards for Pisces. What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay, so this is Thorns and this is Snake. Your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path, but be careful. So listen to your intuition, and your healing powers will guide you to a better path, but you need to be careful here. Okay, there is Snake here, and there is Thorns. Weathering the challenges ahead will bring a new positive future. Okay, so Thorns are here. Weathering the challenges ahead will bring in a new and positive future. So this is beautiful. Thank you. Now let me add one color for Pisces. What is the color you want me to give for Pisces? Please give me the color for Pisces. No, please give me one color. One color for Pisces for this reading. I'm receiving so many colors. Okay. No, please give me one color. I need one color. One color for Pisces. See, again 3 colors. No, please give me one color. They want me to give you 2-3 colors. Okay, I'm going to give you. Okay. So the first one is yellow. Purify your body. Okay, see, purify your body. Yellow is important for you, Pisces. You can use yellow color. It will help you out to create new happy beginnings, and it will purify your body. And there is Abagan, ground yourself. You can use this color to grounding yourself, to ground yourself. Then there is Sapphire, rejuvenate, regenerate your body. As you know that you are the regeneration is happening here. Okay, so you can use the Sapphire color here. That will help you out and regenerate your body. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you. Let me make some space here. Okay, now let's see what is the message from Scared Destiny. See, wish fulfillment is going to come true for you. There is some kind of wish fulfillment which you are wishing for. There is coming to fulfill. Okay, what is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? Thank you. What is the message? Wow, transformation. No, they're saying no. Okay. What is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? Any other message? Wow. Just go with the flow, Pisces. Just go with the flow, because transformation is taking place in your life, and there is love which is coming for you. Definitely there is love which is coming for you. Okay, there is sun which is coming for you. There is love which is coming for you. That's beautiful. Thank you. Now let's see what is the message from Quantum Oracle deck. Please give me the messages for Pisces. What is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? No. Please give me out the messages which I need to deliver for Pisces. What is the message you want me to give for Pisces? You will definitely discovering yourself. Bottom of the deck I'm having, you are discovering who you are, okay? And maybe there is some kind of conflict which is there around you, but that's the energy. You need to let go that energy. And there is happy success, okay? New happy success is coming for you here. So happy success is coming for you. The sun is coming for you. So that's the message I'm receiving. Thank you. Now let me add one message from the spirits, animal spirits, for Pisces. Please give me the message for Pisces. Okay. Please give me one message for Pisces. Scrap beetle spirit, magic works through you. Okay. That's the animal spirit which is there for you, that magic works through you. Scrap beetle spirit, magic works through you. So beautiful. Now let me add one message from numerology deck. Thank you for giving the messages. What is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? What is the message you want me to give for Pisces? Teaching and learning. Okay, so you can do teaching and you can learn also while teaching others. Okay, Pisces. So teaching and learning is here, which is there for you. So that's very important. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from Moonology deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? What is the message for Pisces? Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Okay, the luck is on your side. That was also a clove leaf. Serendipity is here. So yes, Pisces, luck is on your side. Take time to breathe out, and that's the message here I'm having. You need to spend some time in nature. Take time to breathe out. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here from the Moonology deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from what you need to surrender. Okay, what does Pisces needs to surrender? Okay, what is the thing Pisces needs to surrender? What is the thing that Pisces needs to surrender? Surrender to prayer, surrender your addictions, and surrender the drama. No matter how emotionally charged the situation, remain calm and don't contribute to the drama. Staying centered will help resolve the issue more quickly. So you need to surrender the drama here, Pisces. Okay, be calm while dealing any situation. And there is surrender your addictions. Whether you are addicted to substances, food, people, sex, or overworking, take action to begin to heal the addiction and replace it with healthier alternatives. So you need to surrender your addictions here, Pisces. Then there is surrender to the prayer. Give yourself over completely to prayer. When you pray from your heart, you will be heard through the universe and the answers and support will arrive. So surrender to the prayer. That's the message I'm receiving. These are the things which you need to surrender here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. Definitely love is coming for you here. Can you see? The love is coming here, Pisces, for you. I know there was some kind of heartbreak which you have gone through, but that was necessary to learn some lessons. Forgiveness is required for you. Okay, forgive them and even forgive yourself. That was required so that you can grow on your soul level. Okay, what are the messages from Pisces? Please give me the messages for Pisces. Any other message for Pisces? There's a lot of blessings which are coming for you, Pisces. Okay, for this 8-8 portal, Lions Gate portal, there are a lot of blessings which are coming for you. Be the inspiration for others. Okay, inspiration is here, and there is some kind of truth which is coming for you. You will know the truth here, and the love is also coming for you. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see what are the life purpose of Pisces. What is the life purpose of Pisces? Please give me the life purpose for Pisces. What are the life purpose? Okay, options: spiritual teacher, artist. So you can be a spiritual teacher. You heal with your classes, sessions and seminars. So maybe some of you Pisces are the spiritual teachers, are the healers. You can be a spiritual teacher. That is your life purpose. You heal others and you heal yourself too. Okay, then there is, that's why the message from the numerology deck was that teaching and learning. While you teach, you learn also. Okay, you heal yourself too. So that's your life purpose here. And there is artist. Engage in artistic activities is beneficiary to your career and every area of your life. So you can be an artist. That can be a life purpose for you. Then there is option: consider the career possibilities that are open for you. So there can be a lot of options which are open up for you for your career here. So these are the things which you need, which can be your life purpose. Okay, now let's see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn in this 8-8 Lions Gate portal here. Okay. Okay. Please give me what is the life purpose. Change. Sorry, what is the soul lesson? What is the soul lesson for Pisces? That's the change. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. So that's the soul lesson which is coming for you, that you need, the change is the only constant thing which will happen on planet Earth. Okay, so you need to learn this soul lesson here. So that was the message here for you, Pisces. Now let me add some message from your angels. What are the messages for Pisces? Please give me the messages for Pisces. What is the message you want me to deliver? Some of you are watching, whoever is watching this video, you are very intuitive. Okay, you are already awakened here. Okay, there is a lot of intuition and downloads which are happening here for you. There is crown chakra, third eye vibrations, activations are happening for you. So listen to them. Okay, there is intuitions and downloads which are happening here. And there is courage and bravery. Keep your courage and bravery with you. Whoever is watching this video, Pisces, you need to keep your courage and bravery with you. So that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add some messages from angels and ancestors. You need to connect with your emotions. Okay, Pisces? You need to connect with your emotions. See, you are a great teacher. Learn from your spiritual experiences. Definitely I'm going to take this card. You are someone who is a great teacher, who learn from your experiences, and you need to learn from your spiritual experiences, Pisces, whoever I'm talking to it. But there is specific message here. Yeah, use your intuitions. There is move beyond your ancestral patterns, and the elder is here. You need to break your ancestral patterns here. Okay, Pisces, move beyond your ancestral patterns. There is high priestess, intent and create. Use your intuition and trust in higher forces. Shaman is here. So trust in the higher forces, that everything is happening according to the divine plan and divine timing. Okay, and use your intuitions. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the fairies. Please, fairies, give me one message for Pisces. What is the message you want me to deliver for Pisces? Life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lot of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadow that needs to be healed. Okay, so this is very beautiful here. Okay, you need to be, there is fairy of sunshine that is giving you lots of life energy. Okay, so shine as much as you can, Pisces. Okay, and heal your shadow side if there is some shadow side. Now let's see what is activating inside of you in this 8-8 Lions Gate portal. What is activating in Pisces? What is activating in Pisces? What activations are happening? What activations are happening for Pisces? Wow. So there is empowerment and there is belief. Okay, the frequency of power supports our ability to show up fully and completely, uniting us and others in the deep trust that we all are connected to the same source. This is beautiful. And there is belief. The frequency of belief supports a sense of self-worth based on our gifts and talents and a strong connection to the source. So these two are activating inside you through this 8-8 Lions Gate portal. So thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from the Lovers Oracle. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new possibilities and opportunities for your life. Okay, you need to resolve all unwanted thoughts into light. Okay, dissolve all unwanted thoughts into light here. That will create more light in your life. Okay, now let's see. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are your emotions which you are currently in. What are the Pisces current emotions? What are the Pisces current emotion? Please give me what are the Pisces current emotion here. What are the current Pisces emotion which they are in? 1 minute. Okay, which was fallen out was powerless. Okay, too many. Please give me the emotions of Pisces. What emotions are right now they are having? See, that's the same energy you're feeling right now. You're feeling trapped, you're feeling restricted, stuck because you're thinking a lot, Pisces. Okay, stop overthinking. You are trapped in your own mind thoughts. Okay, here, and you're feeling hateful, trapped, powerless here. Can you see? That's your emotions. Okay, because you're feeling hurtful because someone broke your heart here. They put you in a third party situation here. They broke your heart. Where is 3 of Swords? Yeah, someone broke your heart. Okay, they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart. That's why you're feeling very, very restricted, very stuck. But you have to be in the happy energy. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. You're going to receive this happy emotion after feeling this powerless and all. You're going to feel this energy, and that's beautiful. Okay, so this is the emotion which you are feeling right now. Where is my deck? Okay, where is my deck? Here. Now let's see. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the message from the Krishna conscious for Pisces. Please give me the message for Pisces. Please give me the message for Pisces. What is the thing you need me to tell for Pisces? What is the message for Pisces? Transformation is taking place for you here. Pisces, you're going through a process of transformation. You're becoming the better version of yourself. Yeah. But bottom of the deck, I'm having do not provoke negativity. Do not invite negativity by doing or saying wrong things. Okay, Pisces, so be aware of this. Bring about that change that comes with destruction and sow the seeds for now for the future, and that's the energy of transformation, the 8-8 Lions Gate portal. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see, Pisces, what are the signs you are dealing with? What are the signs Pisces dealing with? What are the signs Pisces dealing with? What are the signs Pisces dealing with? What are the signs you are dealing with? What are the signs you are dealing with? Okay. Okay, so you can be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That can be a possibility. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You can be dealing with air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra here, Pisces. You can be dealing with air sign. Or you can be dealing with fire sign, Aries or Leo. Okay. Or you can be dealing with water sign, Cancer or Scorpio. So this was your reading for this 8-8 Lions Gate portal. I hope it will help you out in some manner, Pisces. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and beautiful happy energies to all my Pisces, whoever is watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.